How to use WhatsApp on PC without phone and QR code. So if you want to use your WhatsApp on your PC without the QR code or your phone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application, or you can also go with your browser. Now once you open, go with Get Started, which is on the bottom, and it will ask you to scan the QR code in order to log into your account. Or you can also go with link with phone number. So if you don't have your phone and if you are not being able to scan the QR code, then what you can do is you can just simply enter your phone number. So go with your country and your region and enter your mobile number. Go with next. And you need to go with your mobile phone. And it will ask you that if you want to link the device. So you just need to simply go with confirm. And you need to unlock your phone's password. And then you need to enter the code which is right here on your mobile device. And once you've entered, then it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log in and use. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.